Number 1.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,500, well-kept classic showing 284,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, a white exterior with a red interior, and runs on gasoline, powered by a 4.8 LLS swap. It runs and drives perfectly. The rebuilt 4L60E transmission includes a 2800 stall converter, paired with a 216/220 truck cam, upgraded intake, headers, and a 3-inch exhaust with a Borla muffler, resonator, and dual 4-inch tips. It also has a factory 9.5-inch 14SF rear end with Eaton Posey. The brakes, suspension, and tires have about 15,000 miles since being rebuilt, and it's fitted with wide 5 wheels from a newer model truck. All features work properly: heat, AC, power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seat, 4x4, cruise control, and factory gauges. The downsides are typical for an OBS Chevy: a cracked dash, some rust, mainly on the bed, and minor interior wear from 20 years as the owner's primary vehicle.
Number 2.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $7,850. This pickup is a well-preserved and highly original example showing 170,000 miles on the odometer.
It's powered by a smooth and dependable V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering strong performance and effortless drivability.
The truck features a clean tan exterior with a matching tan interior, giving it a classic and cohesive vintage look.
Originally from North Carolina, this S10 has remained completely rust-free and has been carefully maintained throughout its life.
It runs perfectly, starts easily, and is known for its reliability, making it an excellent representation of Chevrolet's durable and practical craftsmanship from the late 1980s.
Number 3.
1987 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, showing approximately 104,000 believed original miles. It features an automatic transmission paired with a strong 454 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine, delivering smooth power and dependable performance. The truck runs, drives, starts, and stops great, reflecting careful maintenance over the years. This Chevrolet 3500 comes equipped with a front valance, chrome-lighted side skirts, and a visor, adding to its distinctive vintage appearance. Most exterior lights are operational, and all gauges function properly. Inside, it retains its original owner's manual, factory GM floor mats, and comes with 2 sets of keys along with a clean title in hand. A gooseneck ball is installed in the bed, making it ready for towing or hauling.
Both saddle fuel tanks previously worked, though the driver's side tank has developed a small leak. The truck could also benefit from a new exhaust system, but overall it remains solid. Number 4.
1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. It comes with an automatic transmission, a white exterior paired with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. The truck has 208,000 miles on the odometer, but its 350 V8 engine has only about 50,000 miles, giving it plenty of life left under the hood. The engine starts right up and sounds strong, showing smooth performance and consistent idle. While it runs well mechanically, it does have visible body damage on the driver's side, as shown in the photos. Additionally, the transmission needs attention. The truck moves forward and backward, but only very slowly, indicating that transmission repair or replacement will be necessary. Despite these issues, the underside and frame are solid and rust-free, making it an excellent candidate for a full restoration or project build.
Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra, price $9,000. It has been maintained and cared for throughout its life. The ride quality is exceptionally smooth, offering a comfortable driving experience, while the interior remains in perfect shape, showing minimal signs of wear. Every aspect of this truck demonstrates attention to detail and pride of ownership. Almost everything has been replaced or refreshed over time to ensure peak reliability and performance. Under the hood lies a powerful 5.7L V8 engine, delivering strong, consistent power that makes the Sierra both capable and enjoyable to drive. It has also recently undergone a fresh service and oil change in November 2025, so it's fully ready for the road.
Number 6.
1973 Ford F250, price $6,500, features its original yellow paint, tan interior, and a manual transmission powered by a gasoline engine. The truck remains all original metal with no bondo or patches, and the frame is rot-free. It retains all Highboy specific components, including hydraulic ram assist steering, a divorce transfer case, and a 4-speed manual gearbox. The dash pad and door panels are mint, with OEM floor mats still intact. The body is solid, though the front floor pans and bed wheel arches need minor attention. It's equipped with a new grille, factory push bar with fog lights, and period-correct 1980s accessories like a radio, CB, roll bar, and custom shift knobs. Extras include NOS racetrack moldings, bed rail caps, and the original wheels. The engine turns freely and has been run off an external fuel source, making this a clean, authentic highboy with great potential.
Number 7.
1995 Ford F-150, price $8,500. This truck is in excellent condition and has been meticulously maintained throughout its life. With only 91,000 original miles, this truck remains smooth, reliable, and feels almost like new. It features an automatic transmission, a powerful 5.8-liter V8 engine, and runs on gasoline, delivering both strength and dependability. The exterior comes in a clean green finish, while the brown interior has been carefully kept, showing minimal wear and tear. The 4x4 system functions perfectly, making it ideal for both daily driving and tougher terrains. It also offers cold and hot AC, new tires, and a rust-free body, a rare find for a vehicle of this age. Overall, this 1995 Ford F-150 stands out as a well-preserved, low-mileage truck that's been clearly loved and maintained.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, two-wheel drive truck powered by a Vortec L33 5.3L engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. It has approximately 180,000 miles on the odometer and runs on gasoline. The truck features a Chupacabra cam and a Holley Terminator X ECU, offering enhanced performance and responsiveness. The interior comes in gray, complementing the exterior color nicely. It has received many new gaskets and parts, including a new clutch, ensuring improved reliability. The truck currently has manifolds installed but no air conditioning. At the moment, it's sitting on temporary junk rims and tires, ready for new wheels of your choice. Overall, this Chevy 1500 presents a solid foundation for a performance-oriented build or a classic daily driver project.
Number 9.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine with a manual transmission and 4x4 drive. It delivers strong performance and versatility. Finished in red inside and out, it features power windows and locks, an electric bucket seat with console, and attached dash conversion with LED lighting. Recent maintenance includes a new clutch, bearings, slave and master cylinders, and fresh fluids for the brakes, steering, and cooling system. It also has new gaskets and a thermostat. The tires have good tread but show some cracking, the AC isn't working, and there's no stereo installed.
Number 10.
1985 Dodge W250, price $5,000, showing approximately 194,000 original miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission paired with a 5.2L 318 SID V8 gasoline engine. Finished in gray with a blue interior, this truck retains a clean title and offers a strong foundation for restoration or customization. The frame and body are structurally sound with no accident history or major damage, though there are some dents across the bed. The interior will require a complete re-upholstery, and while the engine likely needs a rebuild, the truck remains largely complete. Mechanically, it will need attention to the electrical system, as it currently has no working lights, radio, wipers, or AC.